Okay, so once you log into STARS, over here on the left, go down to where it says Download Upload Grades and click on that. Then where it says Marking Period, since we're doing Marking Period 2, click Marking Period 2. Over here where it says Download Grades, I like to do it by subject. Just trust me on that. The one that says by official class is kind of overwhelming. So I click by subject, then I choose the subject I want to start with. For example, reading. And if I want to do the overall grades only, I can. I don't think it really matters. So I click download grades. Once it's downloaded, I open the file. Then once the Excel file opens, the only tab I'm really going to use is this one that says student marks. And I'm going to go, it shows the student name, grade, class, the subject that you're on, the course code, all this stuff that I never ever need for any reason. Over here where it says mark, I input the score that I want to give the student. For example, if Max should have a 4 in all 4 parts of that, I'm just going to click 4 and the down button. Then if Zachary gets a 3, I'll type in a 3, and so on. The only thing that's a little bit annoying sometimes, so I just keep going down, it goes through your entire class all on one page. The only thing that can be a tiny bit annoying is when you have to do like a 3+ or a 3- if your school does that. For example, if I press 3+, then the next student, when I type in the number 3, I have to make sure I either put the plus there or I have to take the plus away. I have to just delete it. Or if I want to press 3-, I can type 3-, it doesn't matter. So just be careful, because sometimes if you're clicking the 3s too fast, it'll like start changing things that you didn't mean to change, like a 3 to a 3+. Then you don't want to use these boxes that say comment 1, comment 2, comment 3. Those are if your school uses those like generic comment codes, which we never have. Maybe your school does. I don't know. You have to put your comments for the students over here where it says narrative. For example, if I want to type is working on grade level. And then I want to copy paste that, I can. Or if I want the same comment to go to all of my students, for example, if you're doing social studies and you just want your comment to say, we are learning about the American Revolution this trimester, or whatever, I can click and drag on Excel. And this is how those specials teachers like Jim and all that get their grades done so fast. Click, drag, wherever you want that same exact score or narrative to be. Once you're done, click File, Save As. Do not change the name of it in any way, shape, or form. For some reason, the STARS website gets very confused if you try and change the name in any way, shape, or form. You don't need to remember the name, just don't change it. I usually save it to desktop, press save, I X out of the file, then back on this tab where it says download upload grades, I go to where it says upload grades, I browse my computer. Now these all look identical and I don't know which one is which, but I do know that right now the time is 9:32 and I just saved it, so I'm going to choose the one that has that time of 9:32. I press open, I press upload grades, and about 30 seconds later it will it should show you this message that upload is complete. And if you take a look at my screen, you'll see that between each thing I uploaded was only a few minutes. There's a big gap here because I walked my dogs. So basically, I was able to do an entire class of an entire subject in about 5 minutes. I hope that helps.